Imagine saving time, money, and effort with just a few simple tricks. Today, we're revealing 5 genius life hacks that will completely change the way you live. Stay tuned, because number 3 will blow your mind. Number 1, kitchen hack, no more onion tears. Tired of crying while cutting onions? Just chew gum. It tricks your brain into thinking you're not in distress, stopping the tears instantly. Number 2, organization hack, no more tangled cables. Say goodbye to tangled cables. Use binder clips to keep your chargers, earphones, and USB cables neatly in place. No more mess, no more frustration. Number 3, cleaning hack, microwave magic. Struggling to clean your microwave? Just place a bowl of water with lemon slices inside, heat for 3 minutes, and wipe. The steam softens grime, making it super easy to clean. Number 4, travel hack, save suitcase space. Packing for a trip? Roll your clothes instead of folding them. This not only saves space but also prevents wrinkles. More space, fewer worries. Number 5, tech hack, DIY sound booster. No speakers? No problem. Place your phone inside an empty glass, and it will amplify the sound instantly. Perfect for parties or late-night music sessions. Which hack was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you found these tricks useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing life hacks. See you in the next video.